Welcome back to the channel, everyone. If you're into high-performance supercars with jaw-dropping looks and insane track capabilities, you're in for a treat today. We're diving deep into a full review of the 2026 McLaren 765LT, and the one we've got today is finished in an absolutely stunning shade of green, turning heads before it even starts the engine. From the aggressive aero to its mind-blowing speed, this is more than just a car. It's a statement. Let's get into it. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 McLaren 765LT takes the already potent 720S platform and turns the dial to 11. The first thing that grabs your attention? That green paint. It's not just any green, this is McLaren's bespoke Verde Cows finish. Under direct sunlight, it pops with deep metallic flake, and in the shade, it leans into a stealthy, exotic tone. You've got carbon fiber everywhere, the front splitter, side skirts, rear diffuser, and, of course, that massive active rear wing. The 765LT sits 5 mm lower at the front and 6 mm wider at the rear than the 720S, giving it a more planted and aggressive stance. The air intakes have been reshaped for better cooling, and the quad titanium exhaust setup not only looks amazing, it's 40% lighter and sounds like a thunderstorm on demand. The wheels are ultra-lightweight forged alloys wrapped in Pirelli P0 Trofeo R tires, made specifically for track use but legal for the street. Functional design meets total intimidation. Step inside and it's clear, this is a car built for the serious driver. The 2026 765LT's cabin is stripped down for weight savings, but still feels premium. Carbon fiber bucket seats that hug you tight. Alcantara everywhere, on the dash, the doors, even the steering wheel. There's barely any sound insulation, and no carpeting in the footwells, reminding you this is more race car than GT cruiser. The infotainment is minimal but responsive, with a vertically mounted touchscreen and a digital gauge cluster that reconfigures based on your drive mode. You won't find a ton of gadgets in here, and that's intentional. McLaren kept the focus on driving, removing the distractions and shedding unnecessary grams. You can spec it with lightweight titanium paddle shifters, or go for the Club Sport Pro pack to add track telemetry, a harness bar, and extra carbon fiber touches. It's a serious cockpit for serious speed. Now, onto the real star of the show, performance. Under the hood, or rather behind the seats, is McLaren's 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 pushing out 765 metric horsepower and 800 Nm of torque. That's 755 horsepower in American figures, and this car uses every single one. 0 to 60 miles per hour. Just 2.7 seconds. 0 to 124 miles per hour. A ridiculous 7.2 seconds. And top speed? 205 miles per hour. But it's not just straight-line speed. Thanks to the recalibrated suspension, stickier tires, improved aero, and lighter weight, over 176 pounds less than the 720S, the 765LT handles like it's glued to the tarmac. The 7-speed dual-clutch gearbox is lightning quick, and McLaren's proactive chassis control 2 system keeps you flat and confident even when pushing hard through corners. Brake performance is just as savage, with carbon ceramic rotors that shed speed like you hit a wall. It's not just fast, it's surgical. All of this speed, style, and exclusivity comes at a price. The 2026 McLaren 765LT starts at around $405,000, and that's before you start ticking the options. Want that stunning green paint? That's a custom MSO color, easily adding $10,000 or more. Carbon fiber exterior packs, Club Sport Pro add-ons, titanium components, all of that can push the final price well past $500,000. But here's the thing, it's worth it. This isn't just a faster 720S. It's a lighter, louder, sharper machine that delivers one of the most engaging driving experiences in the world. And with limited production numbers, it's also a collector's piece in the making. So, what do you think of the 2026 McLaren 765LT in this gorgeous green? Is this the ultimate expression of track performance for the road, or is it just too extreme for everyday use? Let me know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.